Now on our pound card, by the way, first of all, let's take a look at our pound index. As I've analyzed it already, we actually predicted when we go bullish. We've actually hit this our resistance level here, which is on our trend line resistance level downward, and we actually add a 4. Guess what again? We're actually going to be having a bullish move to hit this our resistance level before we can actually be aiming for a 4. So since our pound will be going bullish, then definitely we would want to be trading gold bullish on our pound to our card, and then a 4. So I'll be analyzing it as resistance trend line. If you are to analyze our trend line, you can see our price reacting here. Can I easily mark this area here? I can't really. I don't think I can't. I don't think I can mark it. But let's see if our pound will actually come to this area here, falls. You see a little bit of a drop to this our area here, which is about 1.570. We are currently trading at 1.58. So if our pound can fall to about 1.570, then definitely we should be seeing a bullish move again to hit this our trend line resistance level, then a fall again, till we probably see a breakout above or a breakdown. I think this is what we call like a triangle trend line, or how do you want to analyze it? I forgot how we call the name. I think it's a triangle trend line. So a fall would want to be seen on our pound to our card, then a bullish move hits this our resistance level on our trend line again, and we believe to see a fall again. And if possibly we might take out these lows here. If possibly we might take out this low. This is exactly what I see. A fall, a bullish move hits this our trend line resistance, and a fall again to take out this low. That is my analysis on our pound card. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video. Thank you very much.